What's up, guys? It's Deezy here, back with another review video and flight test. We are going to be flying and reviewing the Hubsan H501S. Man, I don't even know what words to use for this drone. For an affordable drone, this is number one in my book right here. I've had so much fun with it. It flies so high and so far, and it's fast. It doesn't sit there and wait for you to get it up in the sky. It wants to go on its own. It is so powerful. You just whoosh, and you're out there. It can go far, far, far. Now, I did have a little problems with Wi-Fi signal because the screen is built into the remote, and the signal on the remote is not all that great because it has built-in antennas that really aren't all that great. But there is a mod for it, and you can increase that signal range. Now, here in the next few days, I'll probably be doing a little video on how to do that mod and let you guys know what the results were. But all in all, I give this top of the line reviews. I don't know what to say. It's just, if you want to spend the money on something but want something quality without having to go rob the bank, get you a 501S. It's got headless mode. It's got return to home. It's got follow me. It's in the video, I'll show you a little bit of the follow me action. It's got altitude hold. It's got the nicest lighting setup that I've ever seen on just about any drone. The lighting on this is freaking awesome. The only people that I've seen that have better lighting is Traxxas. This thing is something else. It comes with everything you need to get started. It's ready to fly. All you got to do is just put the props on, which is simple. You just screw them on. You use this little tool to hold the motor and you screw them on, or you can hold the motor with your finger. But all in all, I give this sucker right here 4.5 stars. The only thing I've had a problem with is finding that I can't figure out how to change the return to home altitude. I've been having the hardest time trying to figure that out, and that's the only problem. That's the only reason it's getting 4.5 stars and not 5. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Here comes the video. This is Deezy. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Peace out.
Bye.